Hello class, and welcome back to our daily mathematics tutor. Our today's topic is based on multiplication of decimal numbers without using a calculator. I'm gonna teach you guys two methods of multiplying decimal numbers. The first method, given that our question is 0.32 multiplying by 0.6. On the first method, what are we asked to do? First step, you multiply each decimal by 10 or multiples of 10 depending on how many letters we have after comma, right? Up until the number is on its whole number, right? Divide by the product of the powers of 10, you multiply it. Then after that, you get your answer. For example, 0.32 multiplying by 0.6. Let's use method 1. We said we multiply by multiples of 10 up until we are left with a whole number, not a decimal number. Here we have got 1, 2, 3 digits. So on 3 digits we multiply by 100, right? 100. On 3 digits we multiply by 100, right? Multiply by 0.6. 0.6 we are going to multiply it with 10. We have 1, 2 digits, so we multiply it by 10 to remove it from its decimal form to a whole number, right? 0.32 multiplying by 100, we get a 32, right? 0.6 multiplying by 10, we get a 6. Now, we are going to multiply 32 by 6. We are going to multiply 32 by 6, which is 192, right? 192. This is not our final answer, right? To get our final answer, we count how many digits after a comma. We have 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3. We put our decimal sign here, then we add a 0 there, right? So our final answer goes to be 0.192. That is our final answer using the first method, right? Hope you understand that method. Let's do it again using method 2, right? Method 2. Again, we are multiplying 0.32, multiplying it by 0.6. On this method, we're going to lay down our sum like this. 0.32 multiplying by 0.6, right? Now we have this 0.6 multiplying the up number, right? What you're gonna do, we put a 10 here because we are multiplying with a number with 2 digits. We put a 0 here. We say 0 multiplying by 2, it's 0. 0 multiplying by 3, it's 0. 0 multiplying by 0, it's 0, right? 6 multiplying by 2 is 12. We put down our 2, we carry our 1, right? 6 multiplying by 3 is 18, plus 1, it's 19. We put our 19 here. Now we add these ones, right? We add our answers, right? 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 9, it's 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. That is our answer. Now let's get it to its final stage. We are counting how many digits after comma in both the sums, right? In this sum and in this sum. How many digits? How many digits after a comma, right? A comma. We have 1, 2, 3. You see that? Now we are counting 3 digits after comma so that we can place our decimal sign, right? We have 1, 2, 3 digits after comma. So we put our comma here, right? So our final answer is 0.192. That was method number 2, right? We did method number 1 and method number 2 without using a calculator, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'll pick some of the questions from exercise 5. There's question 1A to D, in question 2A to X. Then there are some story sums from question 3 to 6. I'm gonna pick one story sum. And the question 1A and question 2A, 2K. I'm gonna do them as part of your examples. Then what's left, you do them as part of your exercise, guys, right? Okay. Exercise 5. Answer these questions without using a calculator, right? 1 is saying 132 multiplying by 238 is equal to 31,416. Use this information to work out the following, right? A is saying 13,2 multiplying by 238. We're going to use the above information to work out A. You do the same to B and C, to B, C, and D, right? Okay. Let me write down question 1A. I'll first write down the information which we are using. Then we write down question A, then we work it out. It is saying the information is this one. Information we are dealing with. 132 multiplying by 238 is equal to 31,416, right? Now question A is asking us to multiply 13.2 multiplying it by 238. Okay. What we're doing right here, we are putting down this information. It's 31,416. Now we count how many digits after a comma in both the sums. This sum, we don't have a comma, it's on its whole number, right? This one is on decimal form. We have 1 digit after comma. Now we are counting 1 digit from right going to left after comma, which is here, right? So our answer is between 1 and our decimal sign is between 1 and 6. So our final answer goes to be 3141,6. This is our final answer, right? That was question 1A. Now let's take a look at question 2A. Question 2A is saying work out the following. We're going to work out this not using a calculator, right? 0.92 multiplying by 10. 0, so it's question 2a, right? 0.92 multiplying by 10, right? Any number, if you're multiplying it by 10, you add a 0, right? So now we are adding a 0, 0, 9, 2, and a 0. Now that we are multiplying a decimal number, we are going to count how many digits after comma so that we can find where we can put our comma on the answer, right? After comma, we have 1, 2 digits. Now we're counting 2 digits after comma, sorry. We have 1, 2, right? So our answer goes to be 9,20, right? That is our final answer for 2A. This we can write it as 9,2 is the final answer, right? Thank you for understanding. Now let's take a look at question number 2k, right? 2k, then 2x, following 2x. Okay, 2k is saying 0.08 multiplying by 0.5. Question 2k, 0.08 multiplying by 0.5, right? 2k, we're gonna use our second method. 2x, we use our first method, right? The second method tells us to lay down our sum like this: 0.08 multiplied by 0.5, right? We put down a 0 here because we are multiplying with a sum which has got 2 digits, right? 2 digits, not that. We put down a 0, we multiply everything by 0 first. Zero multiplying 8, it's 0. Zero multiplying 0 is 0. 0 multiplying 0 is 0 again. Now on 5, we're going to add, right? 5 multiplying 8 is 40. We carry a 4 here. 5 multiplying 0 is 0 plus 4, it's 4. 5 multiplying 0 is 0 again. Now we are adding, right? We are adding our answers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 4, it's 4. 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now we are on this stage. We count how many digits after comma. On the first sum, we have 1, 2 digits. On the second sum, we have 1 digit. Let me write down here, counting digits after comma, right? We have 1, 2, 3 digits. So we count 1, 2, 3 digits. So our comma is between 0 and 0, which gives us this final answer, 0.040. That is our final answer, right? That was the answer for question 2k. using method 2. Now let's take a look at question 2x. We are going to work it out using method 1. It's saying 0,64 multiplying 0,42. 0,64 multiplying by 0,42. Okay, first thing is to convert these decimal numbers into whole number. We are going to multiply them by multiples of 10. Okay, we are going to multiply it by 100, right? By 100. By 100 to get a whole number, right? Here we get a 64. Here we get a 42, right? Now let's multiply 64 by 42. It's 64 by 42. It gives us the answer. Let's work it out like this. We put down a 0 first because we're multiplying it with a number which has got 2 digits, right? 4 by 4, it's 16. Put down a 6, we carry a 1. 4 by 6, 24 plus 1, 25. We are adding 2 by 4, it's 8. 2 by 6 is 12. 12, right? We are adding 0 plus 8, it's 8. 2 plus 6 plus 2, it's 8. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. Right? It's 2,688. Right? This is not our final answer. To get our final answer, we have to count how many digits after comma, then we place our comma. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after comma. So now let's count digits after comma. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our comma is here, right? That's where we place our comma. We're going to say 0, 2, 6, 8, 8. This is our final answer for question 2x using method number 1. That was question 2x, right? Okay, let's jump to question 3. Question 3 is a story sum. It's saying 1 liter is equal to 1,76 pence. What is 5 liter? What is 5 liters in pence? Right. Looking at this story sum, we are going to multiply 1.76 pence to get the answer for 5 liters, right? We're going to multiply. It's question 3. Let me bring it close like this. It's saying 1 liter is equal to 1,76 pence, right? It's 1 liter. So 5 liters is equal to more, right? Is equal to more. When we are finding an answer which is equal to more in such story sum, we are going to multiply. So here we multiply 5 by 1.76. 1.76 multiplying by 5. 5 multiplying 6 is 30. We put down a 0. We carry a 3. 5 multiplying 7 is 35. plus 3 is 38. We carry a 3 again. 5 by 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Right? This is not the final answer. To get a final answer, we count how many digits after comma so that we can place our comma there. We have 1, 2 digits after comma. So let's place our comma. 1, 2. Our comma goes here between 8 and 8. So that is the answer for question 3. We are done. So I'm gonna give you the exercise, guys. Like I said, you do question 1, B, C, D, and question 2, whatever we didn't do, you complete for question 2. Then question 4, 5, 6 are story sums. You complete them for me, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. That was for today's lesson.